remodelers, carpenters, general contractors, plumbers, wood floor installers. It's the tool that every trade can use.
Introducing the versatile new multi-tool from Makita. The TM3000CX5 delivers power, control, precision, and comfort for a variety of applications. The powerful 3-amp motor with soft start is engineered for fast cutting, sanding, scraping, and grout removal. The variable speed control dial enables the user to match the speed to the application. And the electronic speed control maintains constant speed under load for smoother operation. For more aggressive cutting and sanding, the Makita Multi-Tool has a 3.2 oscillation angle. The tool features a small diameter barrel grip and weighs only 3.1 pounds. Get the tool that will take on a full range of applications.
Get the Makita Multi-Tool.